drivetrain failures can cause machine shutdowns and costly delays to your business. Regular checks of key drivetrain components can reduce your risk and prevent premature failures.
Check your tires for signs of leakage or damage that could lead to a flat. Check for loose or missing lug nuts. Take action if you see excessive wheel path rutting in the field. Excessive and prolonged rutting can damage drivetrain components if left unattended. Monitor gearbox oil level and drain water if it's present. Check gearbox seals for signs of wear or leakage that could lead to oil loss. Make sure all shields are safely in place and watch for wear on drive shafts and couplers. If replacement parts are necessary, be sure to use Lindsay genuine parts to ensure exact fit, factory warranties, and engineered designs for longer machine life.